Hey everyone, this is Julie from Julie's Wig World, and I just got hair mail. Yay! And it is Arrow by Alan Villa in the colour Caramel Lighted. So she hasn't come out of the box yet, so let me give you a look. And it's from the Perucci collection, which I love that name, I think it's fantastic. Woohoo! See, taking her out. Okay, so let's start off with the cap construction, and it has a left monofilament side part and open wefted cap with an extended nape, which is fantastic. Love an extended nape. And a beautiful lace front. How are we going? Can we see that? Beautiful. Okay, I'll be back and I'll have her on. Woo-hoo. So here's Arrow in Caramel Lighted, straight out of the box. Still got the tags on, but I have to say she's looking a little bit of a fright at the moment. I think my other Arrow that I got in Champagne Rooted actually did look better out of the box straight away. Yeah, she is looking quite a bit of a mess, and this hair really is hanging down in my face. So we'll just see what I can do. I've got the old faithful Jon Renau comb, which these days I can't live without. I don't know what I ever did before I got one. So she still has the factory part. And I have to say up front, there's a lot of natural light coming in here. So you can see she does have quite a bit of shine on there. So I'm going to put a lot of dry shampoo on. Let's just start with getting rid of that factory part. The fibres are really silky like my last Arrow, but this one is definitely hanging down in the face a lot more than the other one. So I don't know, that could be a problem for me. And the other one I think I could really style a lot more with my fingers than this one. But I'm absolutely loving the colours in there. So I'm definitely going to need to work a bit with this Arrow. So I'll put a little bit of work in on her, and I think I'm going to take her off and I'm going to get in there at the roots. I'm going to give her a really good shake, which actually I forgot to do this time before I put her on. So I'm actually just going to give her a really good shake and just get some air into these fibres. And now I'm just going to, while she's off my head, I've just turned her upside down and I'm just going straight down, not that way, just straight down with the Jon Renau comb. Just to break that up a bit, and just a little bit in there at the root. Just moving those fibres away from the wig cap because they have been in the box. I'm in Australia, so they've actually come a really long way. And we never know how long they've been sitting in the box in the factory, but probably not too long because Arrow is a very popular wig. So let's see how that's improved Arrow from the box. So she's still very floppy down in my face, but straight up I'm going to show you this fantastic lace front. Very realistic, and they've blended some of the lighter and darker fibres into that root line, which I think is making it really realistic. And I love the lace front on my other Arrow, and I think my best lace fronts that I've purchased is Arrow and the more budget brand of Hollywood from the company Main Attraction. So let's just see what we can do. She still really is very boxy. But silky, silky fibres, which is great. I love them. So I've just been working with the fibres and I'm really liking this side of Arrow, and I have got some lift up in here, which is great, and to do that all I did was just pull those fibres away from the top of the cap and comb them back towards the back of the wig. It's still falling down here a little bit, but also I think I might keep training them, pop them up like that in a tie. So I've pulled the hair back off the front and it's got this fantastic lace front, and I've just used one of these extremely small little claw clips. That's all you need because these fibres are so light and fine. So there's a close look in there at that lace front, and I've blended some of my own hair a little bit either side, and you can pop this in an ear tuck on both sides if you want. Those ear tabs, as I say, are coming down a little bit lower, which they are kind of getting in the way a little bit going around your ear, but the bonus is that they are coming down here lower with the hair on them. So if you don't have any hair, it's actually good. It's a much more realistic look to have these ear tabs come down lower. Lovely silky fibres. Beautiful colours, light and dark. It's got the caramel, it's got some light, very light pieces as well. It's beautiful, I love that. And here she is in a much more relaxed look again, with a casual jacket. Weather's getting colder. Beautiful wig, beautiful fibres. This is Hollywood by the company Main Attraction in the colour chestnut. And I've done a wig review on hers, so check that review out when you have time, and I know it'll be really helpful if you are after a longer style shaggy curl in the darker colours. She does have flyaways because those fibres are so smooth and fine, but the trade-off for that is very realistic. So please watch one of these videos. YouTube suggested one and I've suggested one for you as well. And I'll see you in my next review. Thanks for being in my company at Julie's Wig.